The illogical and unjustified war of United States of America and Israel waged against Iran came with huge consequences. One of them for the entirety of global and more particularly of US and Israel was the blockade of Strait of Hormuz. The same Strait of Hormuz which holds a huge geostrategic importance and significance, because at some point it gets only to a 3 kilometers width, and that 3 kilometer width is controlled and owned by Iranian authorities, which were blockaded due to these Middle Eastern conflicts and crisis. Though a lot of countries, or even generally the entire globe, has suffered due to the blockade of Strait of Hormuz, because around one fifth of the global oil trade is done through this passage, or around 20% of the entire global trade or global trade of oil is done through this passage, mainly from the Gulf countries and Iran itself, where the oil is exported through the Strait of Hormuz to the entirety of the world, more particularly in Asian and some European countries. But in more particular, the countries that have been adversely and more impacted due to the blockade of Strait of Hormuz are mainly Asian countries on one hand, and then Australia and Italy on the other hand in the Europe. If you talk about China, China relies on 75 to 80% of its energy and oil reliance through this passage, or through the oil that is traded through this passage, Strait of Hormuz. Moreover, South Korea and India also relies for its liquefied natural gas and petroleum needs and requirements. Again, that is traded through Strait of Hormuz. And finally, Pakistan has also suffered enormously because of the blockade of the Strait of Hormuz, because the petroleum requirements, that is 4 lakh 20,000 to 4 lakh 80,000 barrels per day consumed by Pakistan, it was imported through Gulf countries and mainly traded through the Strait of Hormuz. More than half of the energy and oil requirements of Italy and Australia in Europe are also met by the oil and energy that is imported from the Gulf and Middle Eastern countries, and again passes through the Strait of Hormuz. So these various countries in Asia and these particular countries in Europe have been adversely and enormously impacted due to the Strait of Hormuz. But at the same time, Iran has made this explicit that whoever wants to normalize the relations with Iran, whoever will condemn the US and Israeli waged war against Iran, they may have a safe passage through the Strait of Hormuz and can import the oil or daily energy needs through this Strait of Hormuz. But the fact remains a fact that the Strait of Hormuz acts as a significant, as highly significant choke point of the global trade of oil, and these countries in Asia, that is China, South Korea, Japan, India, and Pakistan to an extent on one hand, and then countries like Italy and Australia in Europe on the other hand, have been enormously impacted by the blockade of Strait of Hormuz.
Karachi was battered by a deadly storm just last week. Now another powerful weather system is on its way and authorities are on high alert. If you are in Karachi, watch this. The memory of last week's deadly storm is still very fresh in this city, and now Karachi is bracing for another round of severe weather. Let me remind you what happened on the night of March 18 and 19. Heavy rain on powerful winds lushed Karachi, killing at least 16 people, injured many others. 13 of those deaths happened in Baldia town when a wall collapsed near a telephone exchange, crushing people who had taken shelter beside it. Wind speed reached up to 97 kilometers per hour in Maripur, and the storm tore through nearly all 7 districts of the city. Trees were uprooted, roofs caved in, walls collapsed, and widespread powerful outage left entire neighborhood in darkness. Karachi's Mayor Murtaza Wahab urged residents to stay indoors while municipal teams work through the night clearing debris from the roads. Now, less than a week later, another system is coming. The PDMA has issued a formal alert for Karachi and several parts of Sindh. Rain and thunderstorms are expected on March 25, 26, 28 and 29. Authorities have been ordered to keep drainage machinery ready, remove hazardous billboards and stay in the field for the next 7 days. Residents have been advised to avoid unnecessary travel. Pakistan Meteorological Department has also warned for potential flash floods in Balochistan and landslides in the northern region as the sum system moves across the country through March 30. Karachi's infrastructure was not ready last week. The question being asked right now is whether it will be ready this week